Hi guys, so now we shall be unboxing the lunar artifacts. Is it just me? Does this look not aligned? It actually is not aligned. It's slanted up. That's very interesting. I'm only just noticing now. It's not straight, but it's slanted up. That's not good. Yeah. Anyway, that's the box, so it's fine. So yeah, let's open this up. Trying to see where I can poke. There we go. Keep that aside. So again, these are gifts from my kids for Father's Day. Yeah, so exciting. So this one opens up like this, and I'm guessing, well, I don't know, right? I'm just trying to figure it out. There's a book here, so this comes out, and it slides out like so. Okay, so this now becomes empty. Okay, so instruction manuals. Okay, it tells you about the screwdriver, how it works. I'll just keep that there for now. And I'm guessing it's, yeah. Oh, cool. Beautiful. I got this to match this one. It's quite nice, actually. Just keep that there. It's like one of those cute tools you just have on your office desk. USB Type-C charging there. Let's see what you get. So spares. Interesting. Okay, you get some spare heads. Oh, nice. Okay. So there's a few here already, but there's a few spares. Should you misplace any of these, you get a cable here, probably to charge it. Yep, USB Type-C. I'm not going to bother opening this one because I have too many of these cables. And there you go. This is the various screw heads. This is on paper. It looks like it's wood, but that's on paper. So you just literally bring this out, put it in there, and use. Very clever. And then I think the speed or the strength. Interesting. Yeah, well, let me know what you think. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's lovely. It's a beautiful item, actually. It rests here like this, which I'll just take this out. Rest there, and then this bit literally here, and it all sits on your desk like so. Pretty, no? Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, and I'll do my best to get back. Take care. Bye.